What's up, YouTube? What color is your Lamborghini? What color is your Bugatti? Nah, I'm not outside, you get me? I got something in my eye, so it's messing in my eye real quick. Go for more water. What's up, though? My main hoe doesn't know that I got a side hoe. Please don't tell her, though, because she might just leave me. And if she leave me, I might just cry about it, you know what I mean? So please don't tell her. I'm lying, I don't got no hoes like that. I'm joking. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Kind of bush up with the mirror to mama. Aegis finally came back. She was on vacation. It's crazy, you know? Got me looking like this. Because I'm not going to go to no other hairdresser. I'm loyal, you know what I mean? Loyalty. Bobo Dread, you see me? Put your trust in Jah. Out here, go buy some cheese patty. Yeah, this is some Da Vinci. Jah will never make your heart break. Jah will never hurt your feelings. One cheese patty is for $310.
$330.
What, a $330 it is free?
Yeah, they dropped the price, you know, because after
patty place. They might chop, you get me?
Drop the price and take off on $20, you know.
Yeah. I stop by a patty, $310 for one patty. It's crazy, dog. You don't want to take the elevator, dog? What's wrong with you? You're not going up? You're not going up? Which floor? Which one I floor, man? This on the first floor. Or the second floor. Nah, bro, you see me?
We're going up.
Nah, I'm going down.
Right. Being godly in a city. And bad, baby.
God, man, seconds. If you want red, long teas. If you want to buy, you can buy one. I suppose the bumbo clot funny. Blood clot. I was just looking at the prices of some weights. And I'm thinking I'm gonna buy this one right here. The 37.5 pounds for 25,000 now. Right next to the gym. Express Fitness. My bro, he wants to buy a slides. My bro wants to buy a slides, but he didn't want to get those Yeezys at that place. The place I'm getting fierce by Jir. Yeah, he didn't want to get those Yeezys there, you know what I mean? Those knockoff Yeezys. So he's still looking, bro. Him didn't want no blood clot slippers either. Where you gonna go, bro? I walk or jump back in that car. Go down, sir. Still searching. Nah, man, I lie. It's a Saturday evening, the place looks nice. Maybe you can't really see it on camera because I don't got my filter on right now, but it's beautiful, bro. The sun is shining on my face, hitting my face right. I just got a girl's number. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful Saturday. I like it. No jokes. You like those good ones?
What, still? Yeah, I can have a full suit of Adidas. Adidas, man, alright? Well, Adidas. Right?
Yeah, for you can circle if anything, see you, man. The evening is just beautiful this evening. I don't know. Maybe I don't come out as much. You see that sun hitting my face from that angle? It's just beautiful, bro. I'm telling you, I'm going here. We have all the clocks. Shoes gallery right there. Yeah, I bought my clocks there, you know what I mean? Over here, some bro. Yeah, shoe gallery. Oh. I just smelled a nice cologne. You know what I mean? I think it's saying 1 million. It's for like $19,000. Nice, still. No, the lie. This one. I don't know if you want to go in the suburb, I know. Starbucks is garbage, bro. Starbucks is just like chocolate. I can't, the chocolate milk. Yeah, that's what Starbucks is. It's a waste of money, but inside look nice though. Starbucks in half a tree. It's kind of beautiful inside, you know what I mean? I like the ambiance. You heard me? Top of the morning, YouTube. Today is Sunday. I'm going to the hairdresser right now. You see me? My hairdresser wasn't available for a while. Yeah, and I'm not the type of guy to cheat on my hairdresser. I'm not him. I don't really do that. So she's finally available today. So I'm gonna go do my hair today. Just get some cane room, make it catch up, get a bad line up. Or maybe not. I don't want him to touch my beard, you know what I mean? Don't want him to cut off my beard. Yeah, I like my beard, look, you know what I mean? Let's get a line up at the barber still. Go my stash alone and them thing there. Get me? And I'm out, so. Yeah, I'm off to the hairdresser. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a beautiful Sunday morning today. Yeah, because I certainly am. I just got up and I'm feeling energized today, you know? Yeah. Being look rough, isn't it? Yeah. I want some cornrows here, like what I normally get. And tough up the thing I like. No jokes.
So what have you been doing to it?
Yeah, some daily.
Oh. Since you not come to me look a couple times, man.
You say been a girl. Mr. Aleko Lyttle. It's a whole lot of rents. Not to do the things. Them some cane run now, you know me?
Yeah.
Like a bushman. So my hair get longer since Friday time there. Nice skin right now, just normal out, young up my face, get a bad line up, scissors up them place, yeah. Tough, isn't it? Papa chair. I'm gonna say I need it up and just cut
Snip,
off.
snip them something, yeah.
I like that beard looking beardly, you know what I mean?
Your comb.
No, your comb.
Oh, you don't comb it?
Yeah, I'm not comb my beard look a bit, you know what I mean?
Then just
Neat it up.
Oh, so you don't want it neat up?
Yeah, I want it neat up, but I'm gonna cut it off.
Cut off too much? Yeah. Then we can snip it up, so.
No man, I could probably make it, because more of them places, like I said, cut down.
Cut down?
Yeah, so I could go a barber.
But then we can take off too much.
Neat up, looking like a handsome bubble jet, you get me?
What more use? A shear?
Yeah. Them places I forgot to go, you get me? Them places.
I just take off it.
Yeah.
Just see.
Look like a samurai with the bone.
Yeah?
I'm looking like a samurai with the bone.
You just take off the top.
Something like that, I like.
Yeah.
No. Like a samurai bubble jet.
Get some beard. I see it all in your beard.
See, I tell you, so when I have dry skin.
Yeah. And worse the time go dry again.
So yeah, I have to put oil on my face.
Yeah. You put a little bit in some oil. But you have oil. Oh no, you have dry skin.
Dry skin, yeah.
To the time.
I say that they look neat. You have to go on a barber still. Yeah, they say this look tough. See me, you see me? No, bubble jet.
You go right in your beard.
Oil. Go man, I fresh off and just normal up. Yes, I and I looking like a handsome young man again. Bust a line up, you know. I don't really want to go to the barber for him cut off my thing, but let's take down them place. As me I line up, me and just scissors up, cut off all of them places, neck and them places, me. I want him to touch up my beard still. Cut it down, you know. But I'm going to the barber shop right now, see what's happening. All that thing. Yeah, reach at the barber shop, and I don't know if I have nobody up there. Probably not a lot of people. Today is Sunday. Yes, the hairdresser, I come from Jody. I like Jody, but one time I go to Jody, I feel heal, you know, spiritually, like, you know. Yeah, when she rub my head, like, with it, and she rub me in the eye, and she do this with her head in me, with her hand in my head, with the eye, it just make feel good, bro. I feel like I'm flying, you know what I mean? And she do that. It just kind of healing. Yeah, I'm feeling healed, like lifted, you know what I mean? You know that my hair doing them things. Handsome young man, just bust a line up in our station. Things if you love me stash here, barber just love me stash in the youth. No, I'm a mustache connect, I say, but it doesn't connect, no, I'll go on, isn't it? Bust a line up and forward. Yes, I'm looking like a young man again, you know what I mean? Barber kind of cut down my manliness still look a bit, but I feel like I'm working magic, see me I look better than I did just now, or did I? Let me know in the comments if I shouldn't have chopped my beard. My beard for long down I say, no, bro. Huh. Bobo dread in a youth, you see me? But it don't look like it grow them way there, so. Right as well, line it up. Line it up and look. Young again. You get me? I say, I the girl, bro. I might take her. What's up, YouTube? So I'm back home right now. I'm loving my cut. My line up on my hairdo. I'm looking stunning. You know what I mean? Touching the road, look more. Even though today is a Sunday. And I'm just taking a walk outside, look more. Just in my Aleko Lyttle YouTube shirt. What time now? Time is 4:24 right now. Look at later from this. I'm editing this video right now. Look more from this. Just touch your road. See me? If I can get a new girl, because I'm single right now. But let me know what you rate my hairstyle on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments. I think I get this hairstyle before. You know what I mean? Let me look at my picture on Instagram. I think I got the same hairstyle before, you know what I mean? Like my most recent picture, not the reels, but the picture when I was in my Jaeger's shirt. Attack on Tyson. I mean, I see him hairstylist. This is the same hairstyle Jody give me back. Oh, Jody, I'm also. Jody give me, no, kind of different, different. It's not the same, it's different. Go follow my Instagram at Bobo Dread on Instagram. Yeah, like all my pictures and all of that. You know what I mean?